Switch on the video. Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Irfan, Amal, Sharat, Sana, switch on the video. Okay, we are discussing about tail and head function. Okay, then Elvina, what is the use of head function?
Head is used to snatch the first 5 rows in a panda series by the default.
By default, when we are using this head function, we can access the first 5 rows from the series. Okay, for that purpose, we are using head function. Then, how we can access the first 2 rows of a series using head function? Meghna? It's not clear, Meghna. I think some problem in your mic. I can't hear you. Okay, Meghna. Amal, how we can access the first 2 rows from a series using head function?
S dot head bracket.
Within bracket 2. Okay. S is the series name. Write the series name first. Dot. Write the keyword head. Within bracket, write 2. If nothing is in the bracket, that means by default it will access the first 5 rows from the series. Okay. If we need any particular number, that is, if I want to select 2 rows from a series, I will write 2 within that bracket. After head, we are using one function bracket. Within that function bracket, write 2. Then we can access 2 rows from the series. Oh, if we want to access 4 rows, I will write 4 there. And if it is 8 rows are needed, then write 8. Okay, just like that, we can use this head function. What is the use of tail function? Anjo? Anjo? From the word itself, tail means end. Huh.
Ma'am, I was not there for that class.
Not clear, Anjo? Okay, Irfan?
Ma'am, I was not there.
Okay. Okay, Anjo. Okay. Irfan,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the use of tail function? Switch on the video, Irfan. Irfan, switch on the video. Okay, what is the use of tail function, Irfan?
And display the
Display the
last 5 values.
yes, last 5 values. That is, tail means end. Okay, tail means end. So tail function, head means starting. So head function is used for displaying the first elements. By default, it will display 5 rows. Okay, we can give the number also. If I give 1 there, it will show 1 row from the series. If it is 2, it will display the first 2 rows if it is a head function. Tail means it is just like end. So it will display if nothing within the function bracket, empty function bracket is used along with this tail function, then it will display last 5 rows from the series. And here also we can give a particular number. Okay, that is first write the series name, that is S dot tail, within bracket write 3. Then it will display last 3 rows from the series. Okay, is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the next heading. It is mathematical operations on series. All of you switch on the video. mathematical operations on series. Mathematical operations on series. Which are the main mathematical operations? That is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. These are the four common mathematical operations. We can do all these mathematical operations in series. So that is the next topic. That is based on series, we can do all the basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, I will give one example. I have one series, it is S. The series name it is S. 0, 1, 2, 3 are the index value. 10, 15, 20, 25 are the data value, and in S1 I'm using same index 1, 2, 3, and the values are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so the first mathematical operation it is addition. Okay, the first series include the index value 0 to 3 and data value 10 to 25, that is 10, 15, 20, and 25. Okay, then in the case of second series, it is 0 to 3, index is same, and the data values are 2, 4, 6, and 8. If you want to perform any mathematical operation between two series, the index value must be same. If I want to perform S plus S1, first you want to check the index values of S and S1. Okay, if there is a statement like this, print S1, print S plus S1. If we have a statement like this, print S plus S1, first you want to check the indexes or indices of S and S1. If both the indexes are same, then only you can perform the mathematical operation, any mathematical operation. Okay, we can do all the mathematical operation with the series, but before going to before the operation, we want to check if both the index values of both the series are same or not. If it is same, then only you can perform the mathematical operation. Is it clear, Raina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if in this series S the index value it is 0, 1, 2, 3. In the case of second series, if it is 10, 11, 12, 13. Amal, what about this print S plus S1? It is not possible because here the index values are 10, 11, 12, 13, and the first series index values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if the index values are different, we cannot perform the arithmetic operations or mathematical operation with series. It will give some values as output, but it is not the result of addition, or it is not the result of multiplication. Okay, I will explain the output, what happened if the indexes are different. Okay, here we are considering the series with same value. So the first thing we want to remember it is the index values of two series must be same. Okay, Donna. So here I'm writing the statement print S plus S1. Sana, switch on the video. Sharath also. Anthony, Grishma, Evelyn, switch on the video. Okay, so print S plus S1. The result it is S plus S1 is the series, resultant series, the value it is, index it is same 0, 1, 2, 3. Then first it will take the first value of S, 10 plus 2. What is 10 plus 2? It is 12. Then 15 plus 4, it is 19. Then 20 plus 6, it is 26. Then 25 plus 8, it is 33. So this is the result of S plus S1. We'll just add the values of S and S1, but before adding, you just check the index of S and S1. If the index of S and S1 is same, then only you can add the values, data values. Okay, here the first data value is 10, so 10 plus 2 it is 12, then 15 plus 4 it is 19, then 20 plus 6, 26, then 25 plus 8 it is 33. Is it clear, Anthony?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then write the write the output of S minus S1. S minus S1. Pavitra, Ashish, switch on the video. S minus S1. Ashish, read the answer. Ashish, unmute and say. Ashish, unmute. Okay, Ashish. What is S minus S1?
I don't know.
What is S minus S1? What is S plus S1? What is S plus S1? Here, first value of S is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. That is S plus S1. Okay. Second value is 15. Take the second value from here also. So the result is 15 plus 4, 19. Is it clear, Ashish? Just,
Yes, ma'am.
then just like that, you subtract the two series. What is S minus S1? Ashish? Try, Ashish. I will help you. The first value it is 10. That is S, it is 10. S1 it is 2. Then what is S minus S1?
8.
What, Ashish? Ashish? It's not clear. Yeah.
8.
Yes, correct, Ashish. It is 10 minus 2. It is 8.
It is 10 minus 2.
What about the next value? 15 minus 4.
Next value? 15 minus 4.
11.
Yes. Next value?
Yes. Next value?
14.
20 minus 6. It is 14.
Minus 6
Then
is 14. Then
17.
yes, correct.
8.
17.
17.
Okay, correct, Ashish. So, if you want to subtract one series from another series, here also first we want to check if the index is same for S and S1. If the index of S and S1 is same, then only we can do this subtraction operation. So first check if the index of S and S1 is same. If it is same, you can just subtract the data value. First take the data value from S because here it is S minus S1. If it is S1 minus S1, what will happen? Raina? If it is S1 minus S,
2 minus 10.
Yes, 2 minus 10 minus 8 is the answer. Okay, just like that. Okay, so here S minus S1. So first value is from S and second value is from S1. So 10 minus 2, the result it is 8. If it is S1 minus S, you first take the first value from S1, that is 2 minus 10 is the answer for S1 minus S. So here it is S minus S1. So first check the index of S and S1. If the index of S and S1 is same, take the first value of S, that is 10, then minus second value, that is S1, that is 2. So 10 minus 2, it is 8. Is it clear? Okay, then do the next operation. It is here the values are 2. All values are 2. Then find out S1 into S. S1 into S. Here S1 it is 2, 2, 2, 2 and S it is 10, 15, 20, 25. Donna, read the answer.
20, 30, 40, 50.
20, that is 10 into 2 it is 20, 15 into 2 it is 30, then 20 into 2 again it is 14, then 25 into 2 it is 50. Sharath and Joe, switch on the video. Basil, Irfan, Sana, switch on the video. Irfan, Anjo, Basil, switch on the video. Is it clear, Anjo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is S1 into S. Then S by S1. Find out the result of S by S1. Irfan, Basil, switch on the video. Where are you, Irfan? Irfan, your face is not clear. Basil, switch on the video. Sharath, read the result.
23, 50, 50.
First one it is.
20,
What, Sharath?
20.
It is S by S1. That is S it is 10 by S1. S1 it is 2. Then 10 by 2 it is 5. Okay. Then what about the next value, Sharath? 15 by 7 point. Is it 7.5, Sharath?
Yes,
Okay. What about the next value?
10.
20 by 2 it is 10. The next value 25 by 2.
12.5.
12.5. Okay. These are the values based on S by S1. S by S1 means first I will take the first value of S, that is 10, and by 10 by S1, it is the first value of S1, it is 2. So 10 by 2, it is 5. Then 15 by 2, it is 7.5. Then 20 by 2, it is 10. Then 25 by 2, it is 12.5. So these are the 4 mathematical operations that we can do in series. Okay. The main point we have to remember it is, first we have to check the index value of S and S1. Okay. If the index value of S and S1 is same, then only we can do all the mathematical operations in this series. Okay. Then next we will consider what happened if the index value is different. Okay. So the first it is then S3 it is here D type is also there for output. Okay, for S3 it is index value it is 101, 102, 103 and data value it is 21, 22, 23. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Can give 1, 1, 2, 3. So here it is S. The index values are 0, 1, 2, 3. I will give one more value here. Okay. S. The index values are 0, 1, 2, 3 and the data values are 10, 15, 20 and 25. In the case of S3, there is also 4 rows, but the index value is different. The index values are, this is the index value. So here the index value is 101, 102, 103 and 104. And the data values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then I will give a statement like this, print S plus S3. So before going to do the operation, this plus or addition operation, we will check the index of S and S3. Here the S index it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and the index of S3 it is 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 4. So here the indexes are different. So the result it is, here it is S and S3. So the result it is, first it will display S. Just it will display without addition, it will display the content of S. After that, it will display the content of S3, 101, 102, 103 and 104, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the output of print S plus S3. Here the operation it is S plus S3. But here The index of S is 0, 1, 2, 3, and index of S3 it is 101, 102, 103, and 104. So here the index of S and S3 is different. If the index of S and S3 is different, it will just display the content of that S and S3 without addition operation. Okay, here we are asking about add two series, but if the index is different, it will just display the content one after another. The first displaying series it is S, because here we are starting from S. So first it will display the content of S. After that, it will display content of S3. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, the first index, first series that is S, and S3 it is 101, 102, 103, and 104. Then, what is the result of S minus S3? Write the output of S minus S3. Hanna, read the answer.
Ma'am, 101.
What, Hanna? Hanna?
Yes,
not-
ma'am, 10.
That is the first, the result of S minus S3 it is, first it will display S. What is S? S it is 0, 3 to 10, to 3, 0 to 3 and 10 to 25. It will display 0 to 3, that is S. After that, it will display S3, that is 101 to 104. Is it clear, Hannah? Okay. So the result of S plus S3 and S plus S minus S3 and S into S3, S by S3 is all same when the index of S and S3 is different. Okay. If the index of S and S3 is different, then the result is same for all mathematical operation. That means nothing will happen. The mathematical without mathematical operation, it will just display the contents. Okay. That is, if it is S plus S3, first it will display S, after that it will display S3. If it is S minus S3, first it will display the content of S, after that it will display content of S3. Is it clear? If the indexes are different. Okay. Then Pavitra, okay.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we do this in online compiler,
Yes.
the output we are getting is NA everywhere in data values.
Which one?
Ma'am, in online compiler,
Yes, yes.
index values are displayed and output values are NA. Data values are NA.
Okay, I will check it and tell you. Okay. So S3 minus S. What is the result of S3 minus S? Pavitra?
Ma'am, it will only display the content.
What is the result? Oh, 1 second, I will explain. That is, the values are different. That is Meenakshi. Okay. The value is different. That is the value, it is NaN. Okay. The value is not same as the content. Value, it is NaN. Okay. If the index is different, the result is like this. Okay. S minus S3. I will explain once again. It's a mistake. That is S minus S3. If the index of S and S3 is different, then it will display, first it will display the content of S with data values NaN. What is NaN? All of you switch on the video. Sana, Ashish, all of you switch on the video. Okay. What is NaN? Evelyn, what is NaN?
Not a number.
It is not a number. Okay. So if the index of S and S3 is different, it will display the same. First, it will display S. Index is same, but the data value is displayed like NaN. Okay. It just correct the previous outputs. Okay. It is NaN. Then it will secondly, okay,
Ma'am, for plus also NaN.
plus also. Plus also, for plus also. If anyway, if the index of S and S3 is different, the result it is data value, it is NaN, not the correct value of S and S3. Okay. So print S plus S3. The result it is, first it will display 0, 1, 2, 3, and the result it is data value, it is NaN. And it will display second followed by S, it will display S3. The index is same, but the data value it is NaN. Okay, in the case of S minus S3, same answer. Index is same, data value it is NaN. Navin, what is S3 minus S?
0 NaN and 1 NaN.
S3 minus S. S3 minus S. I am asking S3 minus S.
101.
Yes.
NaN.
101 NaN, 102 NaN, 103 NaN, 104 NaN, then 0123 NaN. Okay. Then Amal, what about S3 into S?
That 101, 102, 103,
Yes.
104.
Then 0123 with NaN values. Okay. So here, if the index is different in two series, the data value is NaN and this index value same as in the series. Okay. Then in our MCQ based question, your MCQ based questions are just like find out what is the output of this statement. Here, for example, if S3 into S, what is the output of this statement? We have 4 choices. I will give some choices. You want to pick up the correct choice based on this statement. If the index is different, what is the result? If the index is same, what is the result? Just like that. Okay. And also we have some programs like creating a series using NTRA, using mathematical expression, just like that. In that case also, I will give some statements and write the output from that. And other question based on the series creation, it is, I will give some output and you want to select the correct, you want to select the correct program. Okay. These are the MCQ question based on your topic. Your topic is, there is no change in your topic. The new syllabus is same we are following. So there is no change in your periodic test portions. That is starting from that, starting from data structures in pandas. That is the difference between series and data frame. Then what is series? Then the next topic we are including data frame also. So that topic is also included. These are the topics for your term test, first term test. Okay. Then, so this is if the index is different case. Then consider another two series. Write the two series. It is S4. It is 10 and 102, 103, 11. And S3 it is 101, 102, 103, 104. And the values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here, some indexes of S4 and S3 is same. Okay. So, the result of S4 plus S3 is S4, it is 10. It is, there is no common index for 10 here. So 10, it is NaN. Then 102 and 102, it is same. So the result, it is 102, 12 plus 2, it is 14. Then 103, it is same. So 13 plus 3, it is 16. Then 11, 14. Then 101, 1, 104, 4. Okay. S4 plus S3. Here, any common indexes are there for S3 and S4. It will just add, it will perform the operation. Okay. Operators here 102, S4 102 is there, S3 also 102 is there. So 12 plus 2 is performed. The result, it is 14. In the case of 103 also, 103, 103, the result, it is 13 plus 3, it is 16. For other cases, the result, it is NaN. Okay. If S4 have some indexes same with S3, then it will perform the operation those rows which have same indexes. Okay. Those rows which have same indexes, it will perform the operation. Otherwise, it will display like this with NaN value. Okay. It is in the case of minus also, into also. Okay. So this is mathematical operation dealing with series. We can perform all the mathematical operation, basic mathematical operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with this two series. First thing we have to remember, it is the index of two series must be same. Then only we can perform the mathematical operation. Otherwise, we get the value same as the series. The data value, intersection of data value, the value, it is NaN. That is not a number value. Okay. Then write the next heading. It is vector operations on series. Vector operations on series. Vector operation means we can use a constant value with series. That is, if I want to add S plus 2, this is known as vector value, that is a constant value. So print S plus 2. The result, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. We will add this 2 with this 11. So the result, it is 11 plus 2, it is 13. 12 plus 2, it is 14. 13 plus 2, it is 15. 14 plus 2, it is 16. This is vector operation, vector addition. That is, we are adding a constant value with the series S. So S plus 2, it is S, the first value of S, it is 11. So 11 plus 2, it is 13. Then 12 plus 2, 14. 13 plus 2, 15. Then 14 plus 2, 16. With data type. Here also, we want to write the data type. It is in 64. What is the result of S minus 3? Find out the result of S minus 3. Grishma, read the result. Raina, Sana, all of you switch on the video. Okay, Grishma, read the result. S minus 3.
9.
0, 9. Is it?
8.
Oh.
0, 8. 0,
8.
7.
1, 8. 1, 8.
2, 7.
It is 8. S my 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. What is 11 minus 3? Grishma. Okay, Meenakshi, read the answer.
0, 8,
0, 8, 1,
9,
9, 2.
10, 3, 11.
Okay. S minus 3, it is 0, 8, 1, 9, 2, 10, 3, 11. That is 11 minus 3, 12 minus 3, 13 minus 3, 14 minus 3. That is the result. Okay. Then do another question. It is based on bool. S greater than 12. What is the result of S greater than 12? The calculation it is, first it will take the first value of S, that is 11. 11 greater than 12. Is it true or false, Lydia?
False.
False. So the result it is false. Output it is false. Then what about, we will discuss the topic in the next class, okay? We'll just take the attendance.